am Pusani Shivani from class 5B. Today we the students of class 5B are here to tell how important education is. We can easily manage if we only take each day the burden appointed to it. But the load will be too heavy for us if we carry yesterday's burden over again today and tomorrow's burden before we are required to bear it. Whatever we learn with pleasure, we never forget it. Let's enjoy the happiness in education. Now, my friend Narsima is going to tell how important education is.
Thank you, Shivani. Hello, everyone. My name is Narsima Banala. I am from class 5B in the Secunderabad Public School. As Shivani said, we feel happy if we love learning. Here, I am going to give you one reason why education is important. Australia, USA, and Japan are the few countries where literacy rates are very high. These countries are extremely prosperous and citizens have high per capita income. On the other hand, in underdeveloped and developing nations where literacy rates are not high, a number of people are still living under the poverty line. Education is vital for the economic prosperity of a nation. One more important point of education will be delivered by my friend Sri Nandini. Thank you.
Thank you, Narsimha. Hi everyone, my name is Sri Nandini from class of B. We all live in a society which has its own set, spoken and unspoken rules. One of them is education. The society expects you to go to school, followed by colleges, get a job, settle down, etc. In fact, education helps you to become a useful member of the society. An educated member certainly has a greater chance to contribute to his community. Education helps you become an active member of the society and participate in ongoing changes and developments. Now, I am going to forward this discussion to Arjun Kaushik.
Hi, thank you Sheikh Sri Nandini. What is your dream, your aim in life? Do you want to become rich? Do you want to be popular? Do you want to be an extremely successful person who is respected by people? Well, the key to all this is education. Of course, there are exceptions like sportsmen who don't really owe their success on their education. However, most cases, your degree is what helps you realize all your dreams. My friend Abhinav wants to share his views on education.
It's my pleasure, Arjun. Hi, my name is Abhinav. Today, I am going to tell you about education. Education is very important if you want to be a self-dependent person. It helps you become financially independent, but that is not all. Education also makes you wiser so that you can make your own decisions. An educated person has more chances of landing up a good high-paying job. Everybody wants a good life, but a good life, it may be called as the root of all evil. But most people will agree that the money is important for survival in today's world. The more educated you are, the better career option you have. Few personalities who makes us proud in the world picture by education are Abdul Kalam, Satya Nadella, and Sundar Pichai. Now, my friend Sai Vanasri wants to give her opinion on education.
Yes, Abhinav, what you said is true. And thank you for this opportunity. Hi everyone, I am Sai Manasri. I am studying in class 5B of the Secunderabad Public School. If we want to see the world as a just and a fair place where everyone is given equal opportunity, education is what we require. Education is a must if we want to do away with the existing differences between different social classes and genders. Education plays a major role in women empowerment. It opens a whole world of opportunities for the poor so that they may have equal spot at well-paying jobs. At last, I hope that everyone must be educated. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Nihal Karthik of 5B. Finally, we want to say that educationists should build capacities of the spirit of inquiry, creativity, entrepreneurial and moral leadership among the students and become their role model. In short, we can say that education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world. Thank you all.
Good morning everyone. My name is Lakshmi Tanmay from class 5B. Today I am going to sing education rock song. What we learn and what we know will make what we become. There's nothing good to gain in life by acting like we're dumb. We have our minds, we have the right to know. Be smart, and wise, our knowledge makes us grow. We talk the talks, we walk the walks. We know education rocks. We talk the talks, we walk the walks. We know education rocks and rolls. Yeah, it rocks and rolls. Yeah, it rocks. Ignorance and apathy are baggage for a fool. There's nothing smart in dropping out. We'll keep ourselves in school. We'll use our brains. Let education rule. Be smart, and wise, our knowledge makes us cool. We talk the talks, we walk the walks. We know education rocks. We talk the talks, we walk the walks. We know education rocks. We talk the talks, we walk the walks. We know education rocks. We talk the talks, we walk the walks. We know education rocks and rolls. Yeah, it rocks and rolls. Yeah, it rocks and rolls. Yeah, it rocks and rolls. Education rocks. It rocks.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు సాత్విక్. నేను 5వ తరగతిలో చదువుతున్నాను. విద్య ఇచ్చే నీకు విశ్లేషణ శక్తి, విద్య చూపే నీకు సంస్కార పూర్ణం, విద్య తీర్చే నీకు అజ్ఞాన భారం, విజ్ఞ వసుకున్న నీ విజ్ఞాన భారం, కొట్టగూటికే కాదు విద్య, మనుగడనే నేర్పు నీ విద్య. విద్య నేర్చిన నీవు వింత పశువు కాదు. విద్య మార్చిన నిన్ను విశిష్ట మానవుడిగా. నీ విలువ పెంచిన విద్య రుణం ఎట్లా తీర్దువో. విద్య నేర్పిన విలువలు మరవకుండానే చాలు. నేర్చిన విద్యను పాటించిన నాడే నీవు నేర్చిన విద్య పలువురికి మేలు. ధన్యవాదాలు.
నా పేరు సాయనీష్. నేను 5వ తరగతిలో చదువుతున్నాను. నేను ఈరోజు చదువు గొప్పతనం గురించి చెప్తున్నాను. విద్య దదాతి వినయం అన్నారు పెద్దలు. విద్య నేర్వడం వల్ల వినయం కలుగుతుంది కనుక మానవులకు చదువు ఉత్తమమైన సాధనం. మంచి చెడులను గురించి ఆలోచించే శక్తి చదువు వల్ల సిద్ధిస్తుంది. విద్య వల్ల బుద్ధి వికాసం కలుగుతుంది. విశాలమైన ఆలోచన దృష్టి కలుగుతుంది. సమాజంలో గౌరవం ఏర్పడుతుంది. ఇతరులపై ఆధారపడకుండా జీవించవచ్చు. తల్లిదండ్రులకు వంశాన్ని కీర్తి కలుగుతుంది. చదువుకోవడం వల్ల ఏది మంచిదో ఏది కాదో తెలుస్తుంది అని పోతన్న చెప్పారు. మనము చదువుకున్నట్లయితే మంచి లక్షణాలు అలవాటు అవుతాయి.
శుభోదయం. నా పేరు ఎస్ కారుణ్య. నేను 5వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. ఈరోజు నేను విద్య గురించి చెప్పబోతున్నాను. అందరూ విద్య నేర్చుకోవాలని తెలుపుతూ కొన్ని నినాదాలు. నేటి విద్యార్థులే రేపటి భావి భారత నిర్మాతలు.